Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your credit card account for Living Spaces. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the address bar at the top type in Living Spaces create code login and press enter. On the next page where officers' results are displayed, click on this first link. Now you'll be taken to this page over here. Since your Living Spaces credit card has been issued by Synchrony, you'll need to go ahead and click on the login button at the top right-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this login area. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text field that you see. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double-check Apostle by clicking on the show link or the icon at the right corner of the password box in case you want the system to remember your username so that you won't have to type it again. Click on this Remember You Should inbox, but if you're using a public device or shared mobile device, remember to leave this box unchecked before logging in. In case you don't remember your username and you'd like to look for it, click on this I forgot my username link. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password details, click on the password link and follow the instructions to reset to new password. Finally, after typing your information correct and you're ready to log in, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Living Spaces credit card account. Within Living Spaces credit card account, you'll be able to make your payments, check your balances, do your transaction histories, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.